Yes. Yeah. That's what you get, you little piece of smuggling crap. Oh, just barely. Just barely. Thank you for giving me a chance, mister.
Yeah.
70-15. Just barely.
Oh, cool.
I'll be back up in a few. Yeah, I'll be back up in a few. Nice. I completely forgot about 70-15 as soon as I heard about 70-20. I heard that horn and I remembered. I just remembered who it was. I bet he's gonna come on 568 again soon. Didn't really get much chance to get him out on my porch, so I just had to make do with what I had. This train is 500 something. I don't know the exact specifications, but I know this crude oil train would be in the 500 number specification somewhere, because the eastbound unloaded one is 568. Whatever the other one is, which is this one. But why is 70-15 always on the crude oil trains? Never on anything else. I just want to know why. What for? This is the second heritage unit in the week. I mean, it's pretty damn surprising to get 2 heritage units in one day, which I've already done somehow. Just don't know how I do it. This is going to be an 80-43. Kind of skeptical. Yep, look who it is. Look who decided to pull up. 80-43. I figured it would be him. Jesus Christ. It's a lot of backed up traffic. It seems like 80-43 and 70-15 have a tendency to be on the front. Of the line with 568 in the morning. I would have gotten 368, but I mean, like, it came at like 6 or 7 in the morning, so I just kind of ignored it today. I mean, otherwise, I would have just done it. As soon as I heard that horn, I recognized it. And I knew it was going to be 70-15. I didn't even know I was going to catch it. I forgot I had left my camera the other way around because when I got it out, I accidentally turned it. When I got it out earlier this morning, for some weird reason, it was flipped around to face towards me, not the train. So I had some problems. What is it with 70-15 and 80-43? What is it with those guys? Wonder when 70-15 is going to come back again.